For those who are aspiring na OFW, you can do it. Kaya ko, kaya niyo rin.
Hi, I am Kurt.
Hi, I'm RV.
And we are hired as cabin crew for Emirates.
How did you learn about IPAMS?
Ako po through Facebook and word of mouth. So, dun ko siya nalaman. That's why I became interested. Kasi sabi nila, after 13 years, nag-hire ulit si Emirates ng cabin crew dito sa Philippines.
Ako naman po, I've been following IPAMS po since college. Since gusto ko talaga maging cabin crew. Before nakikita ko yung hiring, like open day from different airlines. And since right now, feeling ko prepared na ako, I already have an experience, so ginrab ko yung open day po for Emirates.
How did you feel during the interview?
For me, nung final interview, at first, syempre, medyo ako nakakakaba nung hindi ko pa nami-meet since virtual. Pero since off-cam po yun, naging advantage din. And ako lang mag-isa, so no pressure. Parang pinapractice ko yung sarili ko, sumagot ng mga questions. And naging light naman po yung process since super friendly and nice nung recruiter na nag-interview sa akin. So, naging smooth and I think nasagot ko naman ng maayos yung mga questions.
How did you feel when you got selected?
So, I'm super happy and really it's a privilege to be part of Emirates now. It's a big opportunity given to me. It's one of 1,000. Sobrang thankful po ako kay Emirates and also for IPAMS for letting us have the open day hiring.
Ako naman po, syempre I was very excited and happy nung na-select ako kasi gaya ng sabi ni Arvis, nung final parang lahat pwedeng ma-hire kasi lahat talaga they're physically ready, ang galing nila mag-talk. So parang I'm not really expecting na makapasok pero I just did my very best. Binigay ko yung best ko and then luckily naka-receive naman po ng golden call.
How do you think you can adjust with your coworkers as a first-time overseas worker?
For me, siguro it is very important to be sensitive and mindful since we'll be having different nationalities, colleagues. And with that, we can respect the differences since we'll be having different culture like what I've said. And just be mindful kung ano po yung mga sasabihin mo, ano yung i-act mo, baka maka-offend ka, para okay lang yung relationship between other colleagues. Yun po.
How long are you planning to work abroad?
For me, sa tingin ko, if financially stable na, I can put up a business sa family ko. So, that's the time na yan. Siguro masasabi ko na pwede na ako umuwi ulit ng Philippines.
Ako naman po, I have to be honest. I've been dreaming to be a cabin crew in Emirates, I think since I was 15. So, feeling ko talagang mamahalin ko yung kumpanya at yung trabaho ko. Siguro, I can't say kung anong specific years, pero basta pag masaya ako sa ginagawa ko, napoprovide ko yung needs ko and ng family ko, goods na po yun.
Why did you trust IPAMS?
For me po, IPAMS, matagal na siyang nakikita ko sa Facebook. Iba-ibang work opportunities po yung binibigay niya to different people. Nakikita ko po yung mga testimonies. So, I trust IPAMS kasi po, marami na po kayong na-help na Filipinos to go abroad. So, that's the main reason po talaga for me.
Ako naman po, I trust IPAMS dahil it is proven po. IPAMS operates like ilang dekada na po at madami na nga pong natulungan at proven na talagang yung mga natulungan nila naging successful at talagang nakaalis safely and yung mga process, legal process, talagang napagdaanan ng mga aplikante.
What advice can you share for those who want to work abroad?
Siguro for someone na gusto mag-work abroad, preparation is really important po. mentally. Kasi, of course, first time kang malalayo sa pamilya mo. Kailangan prepared ka kasi hindi naman ganun kadaling umuwi agad-agad kapag nalungkot ka. So, siguro kailangan mag-prepare ka kung paano mo malilibang yung sarili mo and focus siguro kung ano yung goal mo para sipagan mo pang magtrabaho at ma-achieve yung goal na yun. Yun po.
For me, other than preparation before ka pumunta ng abroad, pag nandun ka na, always communicate with your family. Never forget yung family mo na nandyan to support you always. Kasi iba pa rin pag may solid people ka to support you, to update you, to listen to you. Iba yung may nakakausap ka. Kasi iba pag nasa ibang bansa ka. Although marami kang kasama, ka-work mo, pero family is different. So, wag nating kakalimutan yung family natin. And also, keep yourself busy through hobbies, exercises, doing things you love, parang hindi ka masyadong malungkot dun sa ibang bansa. And enjoy your work. Stay committed. Yun lang po yung masasabi ko. And for me, for those who are aspiring na OFW, you can do it. Kaya ko, kaya niyo rin.
Again, this is Kurt.
And this is RV.
Thank you, IPAMS. Fly better with Emirates.